Poem title: Wa Zo Bia Come. Let's roll this stone together. A soul baby snake is a prey during Hunger Game. Lives last and a bit to salvage us from British tame. The change we hope for from the capital cannot be fabricated in Singleton by the nobles at the capital. Thickening discrimination's clay, instead of sharpening swords defending us night and day, is actually not the way. The bride alone cannot walk down the aisle. Youth should support the referee agencies blowing the whistle. Women should bring their wit like it's time to cuddle. A worn Nigeria will at last cross the hurdle. While our number one citizens come up with heaven-bred plans, follow the lead and offer advice regardless of your clan. Let's clear the thick bush together with tact and uproot weeds, welding our minds in the polity with honesty and facts. We've not trekked to the comfort village we ought to be, but it's staying before sweetening just like a bee. There is a promised land that our founding fathers and governments are taking us to, but seeing ourselves as one regardless of religion, status, or culture is needed to roll this stone too. That's the poem as written by Adwa Habiballah Tunde and Adwa Yusuf Oyetunji.